In this question, we have a relation R which is defined on N, and the relation is given by the equation x plus 4y is equal to 16. We have to find the domain of the relation. What is the information given to us? That a relation R is defined on N, and it is defined by this condition that when can I say two things or two numbers are related to each other, two natural numbers are related if it satisfies the equation x plus 4y is equal to 16, and we are supposed to find the domain for the R. Now to do that, first we need to figure out what is the domain. If we take a look here, x is related to y, that means that the ordered pair would be x y, and the first coordinate is the domain for the relation. So we need to find the values of x which we can take in our domain. Now to do that, what can we do? We have the equation x plus 4y is equal to 16. If I want to, can I write it in this way? 16 minus x, and then y is equal to 16 minus x by 4. Now we are aware that the relation is defined on n. That means that the R would look like ordered pair x and y such that x and y both belongs to natural number. But to our luck, all the options that we have here are natural numbers. So we cannot directly look at the options and tell which could be the domain. We need to figure out which of the values of x will give the value of y to be natural number. So we have the values of x to be 4. Let's start with the first value, which is 4. And if I keep it here, I will get 16 minus 4 by 4, which is 12 by 4, which will be 3. Now we know that y is equal to 3 is a natural number. So if I take a natural number, I should again get a natural number. So x is equal to 4 is the valid value for our domain. X is equal to 8. The second value here in option A is 8. So 16 minus 8 by 4, which will give me 8 by 4, which will be 2. Again, if I keep 8, I'm getting the value of y to be 2, which is natural number. The next value that we have to take is x is equal to 6. If I keep the value of 6, then I'll get 16 minus 6 by 4, which is 10 by 4, which does not belong to natural number. So 6 is not the value I can take in my domain. The next value that I have is 12. So if I take a look here, I'll get 16 minus 12 by 4, which will be 4 by 4, which will be 1. If I keep 12, I'm getting 1, which is a natural number, that is valid. And then last option has the value x is equal to 1. If I keep x is equal to 1, I'll get y is equal to 16 minus 1 by 4, 15 by 4, which again does not belong to natural number. So now if we take a look at the option here, what did we see? That the value 4, 8 and 12 satisfies our condition that if I keep the value of x, then I'm getting a value of y which is also a natural number. If I keep 6 or 1, I'm not getting a natural number. So I can say B and D are not the correct option, and here we have 4 and 8, but 12 is missing. If we take a look here, 12 also gives us a natural number. So what can I say? That option C here is our correct answer. 4, 8 and 12, all three are the values of x, which will give me a natural number for value of y. That's why option C will be the domain of R. Alright guys, the function is f of x minus 1 over x is equal to x square plus 1 over x square minus 1. And as this is in denominator, clearly we cannot take x is equal to 0, otherwise this will become infinity and the function is not defined. So this is the given condition, and they're asking what would be the f of x. Now let's try to understand how to solve this one. What is given to us? We have f of x minus 1 over x is equal to x square plus 1 over x square minus 1. And x cannot be equal to 0 for obvious reasons. Now, first thing that we need to understand is, generally what are we used to? We are used to the equations in this form where the input and output are in the same form, x. But here the input is in the form of x minus 1 over x and output is in the form of x square plus 1 over x square. So it becomes difficult for us to solve. So we need to find a form which is of the form f of x, which we are something aware of. To do that, what can we do? Let's see here. X minus 1 over x is our input. I want to change my input and output in the same form. So I want to change my output in the form of x minus 1 over x. And to do that, what can I do? I'll take the square here. I'll get x square minus 2 plus 1 over x square. Now, if I take a look at my function, I have f of x minus 1 over x, which is equal to x square plus 1 over x square minus 1. Now, if I want to change my input and output in the same form, which is this, what do I need? I need minus 2, which is missing here. So I will add minus 2, and to nullify that effect, I will also add plus 2. Now I can keep x square minus 2 plus 1 over x square together, just rearranging the terms, and minus 1 plus 2 will be written afterwards. Now this could be written as x minus 1 over x the whole square, and minus 1 plus 2 will give me plus 1. So I got f of x minus 1 over x is equal to this. Now I'll replace the variable x minus 1 over x with x. So I'll get f of x is equal to x square plus 1. And that gives us that option A is my answer.